Bad Design Journal, Charenvishwa, Senthil, Kumaran. And look at the first design. This is going to be spider. The issue with spider is not displaying the hierarchy of files as effectively as VS Code, which relates to the design principle of visibility. This principle suggests that the system should always keep user informed about what's going on. Let us take an example of what I mean. So here we have two different .py files here. As you can see in the screenshot here, they both have two completely different directories, but just by looking at it, we don't know where they are. Similarly, if I go to the next one, and even the app.py, there are multiple other folders within the directory, but only this is visible here. And if I want to see this, I have to go to my Finder manually to see what all files are there. It's completely unintuitive and it's a waste of time. Here, the same thing. Here we have app.py, but what about the other files? What about the other files which I need to refer? Here, whereas VS Code, for example, this is like a basic any HTML, any website. You see, we have assets. Inside the assets folder, we have image, resume, whatever. Then we have CSS, JS, and HTML. Here we know everything is indexed very clearly. We have arrow marks indicating where everything is, like if it's open, close, and we also have the reference folder here. So relevance to HCI. There are multiple violations of normal design principle. The first one is visibility. Not users are unable to see the structure and hierarchy of the files within the SD IDE. We need important information not visible at the point of need. Second thing is feedback. Spider does not provide adequate feedback regarding the organization of users file within a project. Say for example, if I open a new tab, I will not know where the thing is created. They may not receive clear and immediate feedback on how these actions affect the overall structure. Second, third is mapping. Mapping in an IDE includes how the structure of the project is represented within the file explorer. It's not clear, it can lead to confusion errors. So every time I have to keep going back. A lot of times I get the error of saying that the path is not there in my folder. So that is very annoying. And this happens a lot as I'm a TA for one of the undergrad courses, DS2000, where the primary IDE they work with is Spider. Second thing, recommendation for improvement Spider. Improvements improve visibility by implementing a more comprehensive file explorer with clear indicators of file hierarchy, as we saw in VS Code, arrows and stuff. Arrows in enhanced feedback, visual cues again, proper mapping by reflecting the actual directory structure within the file explorer, clear affordances. Design problem 2, YouTube. So I'm a avid user of YouTube and also premium users as well, and I have a lot of liked videos in my collection. Recently, YouTube changed their layout, and I find very hard to find YouTube. I think as important as like videos should be easy to find, but no. The same thing here. Users have difficulty finding like videos. Look at the example. So this is my profile. I would assume my liked videos to be in my profile because it's something pertaining to me. But when I go here, no, it's not there. None of these settings look viable. So then I go to library here. When I go to library, again, it's not very clear, obvious that where my liked videos are. But on my third attempt, when I go to view all, and here you go, I have liked videos here. Unnecessarily complications of simple things such as liked videos. Relevance to HCI. Visibility, again, liked videos is not visible. Feedback after liking a video, user should be directed to show where the video has been stored. There's no clear feedback or indication that the like video has been added. Mapping, there should be a clear connection between the action of liking a video and the location where the video can be found later. Affordance. Design should suggest its use. Users feel like their like video should be in one place. The visit on time and naturally the affordance is lacking. Recommendations for improvement. YouTube. Improved visibility. Move the live videos to a more prominent position within your library section. Use larger icons. Use visual cues to indicate that it's a like video. And feedback after you click like video, it should automatically get a notification saying where it's added. Clarify mapping and check the action links directly and clearly link to the like video section. Design problem 3, Netflix. So again, the play button on Netflix sometimes doesn't inform the user about which season or episode it will play, lacking clear feedback and mapping. So a lot of improvements can be done. Let's look at the problem. The show has 6 seasons. I don't know which season, what episode's going to play, and every single time. Let's look at what I mean. So I've been watching Black Mirror recently, and every time I click play, it just randomly goes to season 6 and some random episode of Amazing Day, which is season 6, episode 4, Elements to HCI. Clicking play on a show is it's unclear which season or episode playing. Feedback, I don't know which feedback. Every time I click it, I don't know. I'll be surprised every time what episode's going to be playing. Visibility, principally visibility is how easily users can find necessary opinions in options or information. If the information about the season episode number is not immediately visible or clear, you're about to play, this is a visibility issue. Second, mapping. I need to know exactly where mapping the play button indicates what it does. Recommendation for improvement. Netflix. When a user hovers or clicks the play button, Netflix should provide clear. So every time I hover, it should say which episode is going to play, which season, and which. Resume playback clarity. For content that the user has started watching, Netflix could offer a brief on-screen message indicating that it will resume where the viewer left off. So here I can see it just has a play button, nothing else, and it's similar for a lot of other series as well, except for movies. That's it for my presentation. Thank you.